This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The CBI has arrested retired Judge Giribala Singh in the death case of Bhopal actress Twesha Sharma. Giribala Singh is the actress' mother-in-law. A CBI team reached her house on Thursday morning and questioned her for nearly 7 hours. She was arrested in the evening and later taken to JP Hospital for a medical checkup. Officials said she will be produced before the CBI court. The case has received major public attention in Madhya Pradesh, and investigators are continuing examine evidence related to the actress' mysterious death. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav attended the BJP's Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay training campaign in Ujjain. The two-day event was organized at Rajaram Resort. Around 200 BJP workers joined the training program. During the event, party leader discussed public outreach, organization strengthening and future political plans. CM Mohan Yadav encouraged workers to stay connected with people at the grassroots level. BJP leaders said the campaign is aimed at preparing party workers for future political challenges and improving coordination inside the organization. Karnataka Governor Thawarchand Gehlot suddenly arrived at his residence in Nagda after his wife Anita Gehlot's health reportedly worsened. Sources said her blood pressure increased, suddenly forcing the governor to travel directly from Mumbai. His visit created political discussion because Karnataka is currently witnessing political tension over leadership issues. However, officials clarified that the governor came only because of family health concern. After reaching Nagda, he stayed with family members and monitored his wife's condition. Political circle closely followed the sudden development throughout the day. A young man was stabbed to death in Ujjain's Mahakal police station area during Wednesday night. The incident happened in the Nalia Bakhal locality. The deceased was identified as Mohit. After the murder, tension spread in the area and local residents reached the police station demanding quick arrest of the accused. Based on a complaint by Mohit's father, Prem Narayan Mansoria, police registered a murder case and started investigation. Additional police force has been deployed in the locality to maintain law and order after the shocking incident. Employees of the Public Health Engineering Department held a protest meeting in Burhanpur against the possible merger of the department. The meeting was organized at Jaleshwar Shiv Temple premises. Employees expressed anger over report that PHE officers and workers may be shifted to other departments. During the protest, workers warned that the state government offers statewide agitation if the proposal is not withdrawn. Employee leaders said the department plays an important role in rural drinking water supply and public services across Madhya Pradesh. Hundreds of people gathered in Bhopal to protest against the cutting of 7,871 trees for the Ayodhya Bypass Expansion project. Protesters offer flower and lit incense stick as a symbolic tribute to the trees. The protest happened after the National Green Tribunal approved the project recently. Soon after approval, tree cutting work began for the 10-lane bypass construction. Environmental group and local residents expressed concern over the loss of greenery and rising pollution in the city. Protesters demanded better solution to save maximum trees during development work. Severe heat wave conditions continue across Madhya Pradesh on the fourth day of Nautapa. Temperature crossed 45 degrees Celsius in 10 cities of the state. Khajuraho recorded the highest temperature at 46.5 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat badly affected normal life, with roads and markets remaining nearly empty during the afternoon hours. Meanwhile, weather changed suddenly in some districts. In Tendukheda area of Damoh district, hailstorms continue for nearly half an hour and brought temporary relief from the intense heat. Weather officials advised people to stay hydrated and avoid sunlight.